Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what SAN is doing today. So, looking at the daily chart, like I always like to start, this pretty much looks like mana. Pretty much the same chart here. We are having this little bounce right now, which I am not sold. By the way, I think we're gonna have a little bit of a pullback, and then we're gonna be able to get stuff cheaper. I mean, if you look at, for example, mana, in the last 2 days it rallied like 70%, which is great. But then we're gonna have another pullback, and crypto loves to do pullbacks. Retest the lows or the highs, and then go from there. So if I just draw some fibs here, let's just draw some fib extensions. So let's do there, there, and then there. Let's see, so I'm using the the price from November 25th, 21, the low of January 21st of 22, and then the high of February 8th of 22. So we're bouncing on this 61% retracement, which is right on point. Now, like I said, I think we're gonna go lower, and it's because the dollar keeps pushing higher. That will bring down commodities, and then the S&P, and so does everything else. And crypto follows the S&P, so if the S&P goes, for the time being, crypto goes. So you got to keep that in mind. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. And if you get anything useful out of this video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can get good information like you are. So the 78% retracement, I don't think this token is going to zero. So let's just change the fibs for a little bit. Let's just move them here and see what it tells me. Alright, so that one aligns a lot better. So now I changed the fibs, and now I'm using the first point, December 26th of 21. So that one aligns a lot better. See right there. So based on this, it's telling me that we're gonna go a little bit further down. This one is a lot more doable, 34 cents. Because if it, like I said, I think Bitcoin is gonna go a little bit further down, and that's gonna bring the alts with it. And if I just look back, I mean, yeah, that 34 cents, I'm liking that. Now, if you're all worried right now that, we're having a bounce and we're gonna sky to the moon, technically speaking, we're still in a big downtrend. I mean, one of the guys that trained me, he always said, just make it simple, stupid. If a 5-year-old can look at the chart and tell you it's going down, that's what's happening. If it's going up, it's going up. And then just by looking at this, look at this. It's a massive downtrend. I mean, for us to get very bullish on this, we have a lot to conquer. We gotta first conquer these two moving averages and this 61% retracement. So by the time all this aligns, what's more likely gonna be here, like the 2 to 2.25, and then we also have, I call it the Mag Daddy, the daily moving average, the 200-day moving average, sorry, which is this one, the red one. So we have a ton to cover before we can say that we're very, very bullish. I mean, this could be just like, it happened here. We had this bounce, boom, 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 and then boom. So just keep that in mind. Let's look at the weekly chart. If we look at the weekly chart, I mean, look at this. We're bouncing at the 78 right on point. Yeah, I really think that this is going to go down to 34. Or unless some magic happen, and then we retrace this whole weekly candle. So this whole week, and we get above this 61% retracement. If we do that and we close the week like that, and then that will be a really good sign of like reversal. But until that happens, I'm gonna stand aside. For now, I'm sitting in most of my shackles and cash, just waiting a little bit further to start loading up again. And then the stock market always said, sell May and go away. So just keep that in mind, guys. We don't want you to like lose some shackles for no reason. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.